Oh my gosh.
What happens when you're that good?
You can. This is amazing. You can see that
Watch him go down.
the outline.
Awesome.
Wow.
Sorry. Oh my gosh, she's looking at you. Everybody smile.
She's looking at you.
Oh, rainbow. Get it?
So Mom is coming up to take a look at us and check us out.
Oh!
Excuse me.
And calf is right up over there. You can just see the difference in size. Cows are about 10 to 12 feet when they're born.
Nothing like getting mugged by a couple of whales.
You can see the barnacles growing on the jaw, so you can see the outline of her mouth. And right underneath there are some white barnacles. And
Giving birth. You know,
maybe.
deep, like deep sleeping log behavior. Yeah, every float every 1 minute, but that was like 4 minutes. Can you just watch? Watch yourself, okay? Oh, give it to us. Right on the other side.
Oh, what you doing? What does that mean?
Playing dead.